My name is Aaron. I'm from ST&G here in France, working with my friend Stefan.
Stefan from Silicone.
Make a flexible inner, attached to a frame, add the innovative edge silicone system, and you become an INESS socket where it's all adhered. It's the only way to attach it.
Lim Lab, Lincoln, Nebraska, a M.A.S. socket. If you know, you know.
Okay, everybody, check it out. What's cooking at Vanderwatt Prosthetics? If you know, you know.
Eastside's in the house. If you know, you know.
Yep. You know, you know. Well, if you know, you know.